Hello to all the esteemed viewers of the AI Theory and Practice channel. Today, I want to introduce you to an excellent website that can save you a lot of time and energy. It doesn't matter what profession you are in, this website can help you to progress. For example, it can write a blog, edit your text correctly, design a job questionnaire, and many other tasks. I will teach you some of the tools of this website, and you can use other website tools according to your needs. Let's say you want to create a video for YouTube about sports that can be done at home. This website helps you have an amazing script. We enter cohesive.so website. We click on the script option for YouTube videos. Here, we write the subject of the video we want to produce in the first field, short exercises at home. In the second field, we write who the target audience of the video is, for example, athletes, housewives. Third field, specify the duration of your video, for example, 10 minutes. The fourth field is for reference websites, and you can leave it blank. On this page, if you click the Generate option, this website will be used to prepare your script. And if you click the Skip Research option, AI will start writing the script based on its neural networks without any research from the above websites. Your script is ready. Let's use one of the tools together. If you are a student, researcher, or physician, and you want to write a scientific report on a specific topic, this website can definitely help you. We choose the Education option. From the drop-down menu, we select Scientific Report and enter the report title. For example, we can write Estimating the role of behavioral and genetic factors in disease risk. Your report is ready, and you can also edit it. At the bottom of the page, there are several options that you can use, such as the AI Voice option, which can produce your report in audio form in several different languages.
List of cited sources following a specific citation style.
Matériaux de soutien supplémentaires tels que les données brutes, les calculs ou les figures supplémentaires si applicables.
In addition to these two tools we have worked with, as you can see, there are many options available, and you can use them based on your needs. To access more features of the site, you can upgrade your account by purchasing a subscription. Additionally, we can share everything we create. This website is truly unique. I recommend saving it for future use when needed. This video has ended. If you also use artificial intelligence tools, please share in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this by liking it, video will be exposed to people like you who want to use artificial intelligence. Thank you.